On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone like this. Now here on this page, go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again and go back, go to the apps manager, go to apps. Now on this page, as you can see, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is search for WhatsApp and click on it. Now after you click on WhatsApp app, all what you have to do is just click here on force stop. After you click on force stop, now all what you have to do is go to the storage and click here on clear data, clear cache, and now reopen WhatsApp and try again. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.